Yeah. Check. Yeah. Check the bazookies. How you going? This is update on Tiana and I. Straight out of Darwin, like our cuisine, Outback cuisine. It's going to show you this. This is spelt flour chabas bread we make. Don't worry, chleb, toast the chleb. Don't worry, yatikajam. And this here, this is our this is like our gyros, bro. Like this is our lamb, cabbage, and and this here, look at this. Chabas but plenty. Don't worry, toast the chleb, yatikajam. Here, look, olive oil. Cucumber, so a big shout out for Darwin. This is obviously the deluxe version of where we've been staying. That's Map. Yo, peace out. Yasul, yo. Ciao. That's all.
Yeah.